Now, Terra Luna Classic is moving nicely higher this morning, up about 13% on the day so far, and recovering beautifully from last night's crypto sell-off. Guys, last night, Bitcoin was down around 18 something, Ethereum down below 1,300 dollars per coin, and Terra Luna Classic around that 26,000 point per coin mark. But this morning, we're trading above 30,000 points per coin once again, and there can be several reasons why. So I do want to go over those reasons, and yes, they are including the burns that are literally right around the corner right now. Today's the 19th. Depending, it's going to be tomorrow night, okay? So either after you go to sleep tomorrow night or when you wake up in the morning, we will have the burn tax initiated, and we need to discuss it. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. A $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchange, you've got KuCoin down in the description, and yes, you can get Terra Luna Classic there. If you think it's too late, guys, the burn tax starts tomorrow night, so it's not too late at this point. We could absolutely see this action continue on, and I want to talk about why. So this could be one of two things happening, and we've spent a lot of time in the last couple of weeks now talking about the hype, the excitement, and the emotion that we're going to see going into this burn tax being enabled. Now, with that being said, that's why we had a very stagnant period there. People were unsure of what the burn tax was going to do. They were unsure if Terra Luna Classic was going to see these burns. And in a 2-week period, although it seems very short, I'm telling you right now, a lot of traders, a lot of investors have an extremely short period, or short, mind frame when it comes to cryptocurrencies and literally news releases and stuff like that. So 2 weeks is a long time in the crypto space, and we kind of suffered through that consolidation and the stagnation there. But Terra Luna Classic looking very good ahead of the burn tax being implemented. Now, there's still going to be a lot of indecision and a lot of people who are kind of sitting on the sidelines waiting to see how many Terra Luna Classic are being burned. If we get to that day, if the I don't know, first full day, the 21st comes around and we burn 1 million coins, it's going to be a little disappointing to burn 1 million coins. I mean, I'm even going to be disappointed with that number, so I know other people would be disappointed with that number, and therefore they may sell off. However, if we see some major numbers, I would expect a major run. So do your, research now. Make your judgment calls now. If you think the burns are going to be solid, we can move higher. If the burns are a lot weaker than anticipated, we could see a little bit of a reduction with the people who don't want to wait a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain to be rebuilt. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Okay, that's the hype, that's the excitement, that's the anticipation of the burns being implemented. There was another proposal, I believe it's 4173, but don't quote me on that number there. Nonetheless, you guys probably know what I'm talking about by now. There was another proposal that was voted on with all of the validators and everybody staking their Terra Luna Classic regarding burns. Now, this is where it gets interesting, and this could be something to look at over the next couple of weeks here. Centralized exchanges. They've made it very clear that they don't care anything about blockchain rules and things like that, with on-chain transactions burning the 1.2% burn tax. They're going to not burn Terra Luna Classic. They're only going to burn it if it actually hits the blockchain, and that's still your responsibility, not theirs. So knowing that they're not supporting the 1.2% spot and margin trades, their excuse was, well, the community, the Terra Luna Classic community, wanted on-chain transaction burns. Look at the proposal. It was proposing that they burn 1.2% of on-chain transactions. It's just a play on words, guys. I mean, that's all it is. We can't control what the centralized exchanges do. We can't vote in on Terra Luna Classic that the centralized exchanges are automatically burnt. We can only have control over the blockchain that we control. And they know that, and they're just pushing that idea out there that because we want it on-chain, we only get on-chain, and trying to shift the focus back onto us. So what happened with this burn proposal is the wording is very clear. We as a community wish that all of the centralized exchanges, and I'm paraphrasing here, burn the 1.2% burn tax on spot and margin trading. This is the community coming together and saying that we urge centralized exchanges to do this. It is our desire, and so on. Basically, you know, in a nutshell, we want centralized exchanges to burn all of the on-exchange transactions as well. Now, we can't force them to do that. There's no way that we can control these exchanges. But what this proposal did was puts our desire out there as a community to see these burns. They can't have this, these centralized exchanges can't have the excuse anymore that we only want Terra Luna Classic to be burnt on-chain transactions. It is very clear wording. This is the beautiful part, man. It passed with over 99% yes votes. 0.03 no votes. I mean, guys, you're bound to get somebody to vote no just because they want to vote opposite of what everybody else. Even if they want the burns, they see the burns are guaranteed to win, and they just want to vote no because they want to be different. You know, it's as simple as that. So 99+% of everybody agreeing that we want the centralized exchanges to burn as well. Now, I believe this passed either early this morning or sometime during the night last night, but nonetheless, it is a message directly to the centralized exchanges. And we could be seeing a rally in the price of Terra Luna Classic this morning because if these exchanges see this, and if they do get on board, if they actually listen to the Terra Luna Classic community and get on board, everybody anticipating 500 million, 1 billion, maybe 2 billion in burns, those numbers begin to go to 5 billion, maybe 10 billion, 50 billion, 100 billion Terra Luna Classic that could be burnt on a daily basis when they get on board. So guys, the hype, the speculation, the excitement, it is returning right now, and I hope it's here to stay. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, simply yes or no. Do you think we're going to get some major exchanges on board with burning that 1.2% spot tax on Terra Luna Classic trades? Let us know down there, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You get 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks on Webull. You can get Terra Luna Classic on KuCoin, free Discord, and until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.